Yo, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kari.HQ here. I'm about to go on a crazy adventure. I'm taking y'all with me, guys. I just got spontaneous this morning. It's a Saturday. It's been a rough go at it the last couple weeks, and I decided, man, I'm hopping on my girl right here, and I'm driving her all the way to Cali, Colombia, from 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 or Medellin, whatever you want to say. I'm in 𝐥𝐢𝐤, it's part of Medellin, basically. So anyway, man, they sit on Google, it says about 8 hours drive. I talked to some people, they said it's about 6, so it's about 9:30, almost 10. And man, I'm about to hit the road, man. I'm about to get on my motorcycle, drive alone by myself all the way to Cali, Colombia, man. Wish me luck. You know, I'm pressed to get time because I don't want to be driving in between these big cities in the small town. I don't want to be driving in the small towns at night. So I gotta get on it, man. I gotta get to Cali before, let's say, the sun goes down, man, because I don't want to be arriving at night, man. Anyway, I got an Airbnb there, so y'all come ride with me. Y'all gonna see what it's like in between Cali and Medellin on this ride. It's gonna be a crazy ride. There's gonna be a lot of beauty out there. It's gonna be a lot of hillsides and all type of stuff. And you know, Cali's like a big valley, so you might see some of kind of a flat part of Colombia, because I know once you get close to Cali, there are some flat areas. So man, with no further ado, let's hop on the bike. Man, by the way, I just officially named my bike. I know I had you know, some polls out there, you know, trying to get a name for my bike, and I decided that we're gonna call her Grizelda. Grizelda, the one and only. Yeah. So she's dirty, but you can see I got my bag strapped on with some bungee cords. I packed out with a couple things. Got my helmet, man. And we're about to roll out. Let's do it. All right, man. Kari.HQ, man. Stay locked in. It's gonna be a crazy journey, man. Let's go. Let's go. So you're probably asking yourself, why Cali, Kari? Well, Cali just happens to be one of my favorite cities. I've been there a few times now, and I really like the culture, especially the salsa and the food. Aside from that, I wanted to go somewhere that had a great route, you know, that was very far away. I wanted to see a lot of the country, and going to Cali gave me that opportunity. I could have went somewhere closer, but I would have essentially just stayed in the same department of Antioquia in most cases. And Cali is very far, and I was able to go through, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 different departments to get there. And with that comes a lot of different landscapes, temperatures, people, and so I'd like to bring you guys along and show you what I saw. Now we're getting out of the circle here in 𝐥𝐢𝐤 at Puerto del Norte, and I'm gonna take the 3rd exit and head south on the autopista. Here we go. Now let's go ahead, jump ahead a little bit to when I got to the south of the city, and I was heading out of Medellin to the south, going into the next suburb called Wildest. Oh yeah, and I can't forget about my furry friend that I saw going through the city, enjoying his day, getting some fresh air. I'm stopping for lunch here somewhere. Boca. I'm on the border of Bocas and Antioquia departments. La Pinta. I'm in La Pintada. I'm in La Pintada. Gonna stop and get a bite to eat. This place looks good. Let's try it out. The back of the restaurant, you can see the huge river back here. Huge banana trees, I think they are. It's a beautiful little spot. Grizelda is doing her thing. Yes, sir. So I've been driving for about 3 hours now. And we had a couple delays on the road, so we're making our way there. So for lunch, we got a fish soup, and they got a bandeja, which I got chicken with it, and a great view of this mountain right here. It's super hot over here, I must say. I'm just gonna eat and then hop back on the road. Shorty is right here. About 5 more hours to Cali. The lunch just dropped. We got our beans, we got our platano, my chicken, rice, and salad. All looks delicious. Again, this is the spot I'm at. It's like a truck stop. You can see there's a lot of trucks, 18-wheelers and stuff around. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy this, and then it'll be time to get back on the road. Alright guys, dig into these beans. Wow. Wow. Delicious. Filled with protein. That's all you need to keep going. Try out the platano. Excellent. You know, you can find some good little food out here in these little small towns, truck stops, whatever. Man, this is fire. It's just what I needed to get to Cali. Everything is good. Everything is good. Again, I'm in La Pintada. Just having lunch. You're with Kari HQ right now, on the road to Cali, Colombia. Bienvenidos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, as you can see, I killed every bite. Almost every bite. I mean, killed the last bite. Yeah, I'm about to pay for this, see how much it is. I suspect it's not gonna be more than 15 mil. About $3-4. Let's see what they say. 19, ¿cierto?
Sí, señor, ya le doy su cambio.
Quedó la termina de mi bebida.
¿Quiere sumar otra?
No, solo era un poquito falta.
Ay, devuélvele la bebida al señor. La que está.
Sí. Sí, gracias. ¿Tienes baño? Atrás. Gracias. So, yeah, it was 19. Surprising, that's more than it is in peso for sure. Just give me the change. Hey. Alright, so let's get out of here. Hey, para Cali, ¿cuántas horas?
Por ahí 7.
¿Cuánto?
7 horas.
7. Gracias. Yeah, you heard it. 7 hours. GPS says 5 something. See if we can't do it in 4. We need to get back on my side of the road. Take off. Maybe after this Moto. Alright guys, as soon as I left the lunch spot, ran into rain. So I gotta get right, throw on my rain gear. A few of us just stop right here. It's weird because it's sunny. It's still raining. So we're prepared for all that. Just hope that with this heat, putting on something like this, it's gonna be hot. And hopefully the wind will cool me off. There's no going back. No going back, guys. Full steam ahead. All right, let's get it. Guys, where I'm at now is an exit that basically takes you down into the valley 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞, which is where Cali is. Now this is kind of like a splitting off point for if you want to go to 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿𝐴 and Peru, you would keep straight on the road I was just on. If you want to go to Cali, you kind of hang this right turn and go over a bridge that takes you over a river, which is where I'm headed now. And this is where you can start to see the land gets a little bit flat and you get into that valley. From here on out, there's mountains around on the sides, but most of the driving into Cali is a lot more flat. And so let me show you kind of on the map where that point is, because it's a good halfway point between the two cities, I think. So yes, this is where I was, right outside of 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿𝐴, and I see where those circles are. It's kind of where I just took that right turn and headed into the valley and crossed over the 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 River. All right, and so still have about 4 hours left to go, but just wanted to show you that halfway point. Alright guys, been driving for a long time with this fucking rain gear on. I just want to stop and take it off. Past 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿𝐴 is like, well, maybe 30 minutes ago. Didn't go into the city or nothing, but passed by the exit. Still saying 4 hours to Cali. Gonna need some gas soon. I got a quarter of a tank, so I hope this takes me to a gas station somewhere along the line so we don't run out of gas. That would be horrible. But I got a quarter, so I figured like once I get down to a quarter, the next gas station I'll stop at, because you should always, well, this is Latin America, but in general, with a quarter tank you should be able to make it to the next town or gas station typically. Smooth sailing, just been bumping the Sirius XM, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞, shout out. I saw those dudes way earlier. And what's Drake station? Something 4-2. Yeah, I've been listening to those two stations. But yeah, I'm about to just throw this in the back and mosey on down. So y'all stay tuned. Road to Cali, Kari.HQ. Alright, we're getting gas. ¿Qué pueblo es?
Viterbo.
Viterbo.
Viterbo Caldas, sí.
Okay.
Ahí sigue Pereira, la Virginia Pereira. O ya así a la derecha, va para los lados del valle, Cali, todo eso.
Me voy por Cali.
Cali.
¿Cuántas horas? Más o menos.
Por ahí, en esta, por ahí 3 horas.
3 horas, ok. Ese es Manizales, arriba.
Vaya, sí señor.
Sí, ok. Cool, man.
30.
Listo.
Vamos a llenar.
There's his money. It says 3 hours from now we should be hitting Cali about. In my moto, he looked at my moto and said, in this, that's 3 hours. So that's a good sign. 30 mil.
Recibo 40.
Okay.
Con mucho gusto.
Gracias. ¿Es un mercado?
Mini mercado.
Ok. Vamos a lo que da agua. Sí. I'm gonna go get some water real quick before we get going again. Alright guys, I just got gas. This place saved me from running out of gas. 𝐥𝐢𝐤, the gas station. I am probably like an hour outside of Manizales, in between Manizales and Pereira. And they say it's about 3 hours to Cali from here, 3.5. So let's get it. Right now, the time is 3:20. 3:20. So if I can make it by, let's say 6 or 7, that would be good. Let's get it. What's up guys, Kari.HQ. I should be less than an hour outside of Cali right now. Took a quick stop because my iPhone was getting low on battery, and I'm using like the GPS on my iPhone. I don't want to have to stop and charge when I get into Cali, so I have a portable charger right here. It's my portable charger, and it is charging up my iPhone. If I get to like 20-25%, I'll take back off. But yeah, it's been a crazy ride, man. Everything is going fine though. Probably gonna have to get a little bit more gas. Just know that the GPS, it's gonna quote you a time. If you're on a motorcycle like me, your time will be a little quicker. That's what I notice. I see the time ticking down pretty quick. So yeah, it says an hour and 20 outside until I get to where I'm staying. I haven't seen Cali yet on the ride, so hopefully probably in the next 30 minutes or so I should be entering the city. Yeah, it's crazy, man. It is, what time is it? 5:20. So shit, maybe I'll get there by 6:30. See what's good for tonight. Thanks for rocking with your boy 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿 on the road to Cali Colombia. Grizelda's holding up like a champ. Yeah, man. Oh, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤, aka Zelda, doing her thing, guys. Check back with y'all in a second. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure this is the spot where the hotel is. Based on the picture, I think this is it right here. So, we made it to Cali, dog. Can't believe it, yo. So crazy. Wow, what a ride. That was incredible. I'm gonna go in, see what's up with the check-in and everything. So yeah, you're looking at a good 7 hours. And I can hear the salsa in the streets. It's all good, it's all good. So I'm in, I believe it's called Granada, or something like that. Let me go get checked in, and I'll be right back. So first they let me put the motorcycle in the spot. That's a first for me. There she is, Grizelda. Have a good night. See you later. I'll take one of these. Okay. Let's go check it out. ¿Hablas inglés?
No, hablo. Ahora apenas hablo español.
Sí. Es una festivo.
¿Festivo?
Festivo lunes, ¿no?
Sí, tienen 3.
Ajá.
¿Para dónde van?
Medellin.
Pero ¿y de aquí?
Sí.
Descansa y vuelve cuando. ¿Para dónde va?
Una semana.
Ajá.
Sí.
Ya está cerrado.
Ajá. Cool.
La cocina. Ya te la conecto.
Perfecto.
Quedó conectada.
Ok. Perfecto.
Las llaves.
Gracias.
Aquí está todo. La cafetera.
Ajá.
La licuadora. La sanduchera.
De todo.
De todo, voy a estar estrenando. Acá están las cucharas
Sí.
y el cuchillo. Y acá las ollas.
Perfecto. No creo que me voy a cocinar, pero súper bien.
Ahí están las ollas, el jabón.
Okay.
¿Qué más necesitaría? Le prende el aire.
Wi-Fi.
Muy importante.
And it's got a nice little view. Wow. Nice. This spot happened to be only 180 bucks for a whole week.
Mira.
Alright guys, so I'm checked in. I'm in Cali. Now it's time to see what's popping out here. Wi-Fi did start working, so we're all good there. First things first, I think I need some food, man. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go find some food here close by in this area. This is gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Kari.HQ on this crazy ride to Cali Colombia. And definitely stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel.